Let's think of your mind as a garden and imagine that your positive thoughts are the seeds of spectacular flowers that uplift your life. Negative thoughts can run like wild, noxious weeds. In this course, we will explore what it means to grow flowers instead of weeds on the pages of your very own handmade journal. You will learn some simple bookbinding methods that you can use over and over. To bedeck these beauties with color, we will explore the playful properties of acrylic gloss sprays in some happy hues. The projects we will create are an invitation to accentuate the positive in your life and generously share your kind vibes with others.